please put this book down.
Ho, ho, ho.
Arms over your head.
What's up, boys and girls?
To your New Year's
It's
to-
time
when you
for
get
Dad Reads to 3. When we've got Bamboo and Friends, the rainy day. I hope it snows.
What if it snows?
I've never read this book before.
I don't think I've ever read it either.
I think I might have read it once, but
Here we go. By Felicia Law, illustrated by Nicola Evans. Bamboo, Velvet, and Beak sit on their log in the middle of the magical forest, just as they always do. It rains every day in the magical forest. Rain falls every afternoon. The rain falls in a wet splash. It bounces off the leaves, runs down the branches, and drips onto everything. In some tropical countries, the rainy season lasts 7 months out of the year.
Wow.
It pitter-patters on their friends. It dribbles down their necks. It makes large puddles at their feet. Why? Asks Bamboo. Why what? Asks Velvet. Why does it rain every day? Asks Bamboo. It's that cloud, says Beak. It comes over every afternoon, all gray and full of water, and drops rain on us. It rains when clouds are too heavy with moisture,
So,
also known as humid. And we always get wet, adds Beak, because we always sit here under the cloud. A giant panda has thick, oily, woolly, waterproof fur that keeps it warm when it rains in the mountains. Sometimes I wish I had thick, oily, woolly, waterproof fur. Do you?
I really want that.
Yeah. So why don't we sit somewhere else? Asked Velvet. Oh, good question. We could sit over there where the colorful birds sit. They get wet too, says Beak. They get soaked. Well, if we have to get wet, says Bamboo, we might as well get wet sitting here. The more moisture there is in a cloud, the darker it appears. Together, adds Velvet, we might as well sit and get wet together. Whoa, all sorts of fun facts. In the tropical countries of India and Southeast Asia, there is heavy rainfall, especially during the summer. The rainy season is called the... Coop, what's the rainy season called? In the tropics?
Rainforest?
Monsoon. Clouds are full of tiny drops of
Monsoon.
ice cream.
No.
No?
moisturized water.
Moisture.
Water.
Water
When clouds get too full to hold all of the water, the drops fall out of the clouds and it
Rain.
rains. Zebras take dust or mud baths to get clean instead of bath with water. That sounds like Cooper.
So they just sit in the mud.
That's basically.
The zebra's habitat is the grassy plains or savannas of Africa. Waterproof feathers help keep puffins warm and dry. During the winter, the bills and feet of the puffins fade to a dull yellow. Every spring, their beaks and feet turn a colorful orange. I wonder why. Well, that was a tea-diddly interesting book, boys and girls. Until next time,
Read on.
stay classy, San Diego.
What?
What? That was weird.
And also, if you can't read, peek on trying and you'll get it.
Just peek on trying. You'll get it, y'all. And in the meanwhile, don't forget
To subscribe, hit that bell, and don't be sus. Don't be sus. I was gonna say, to like this video, to make this